Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Sunny and I'm a software engineer. In this video, I'll show you how you can create users and add users so that multiple users can use this tool in an organization or in a team. Okay, so I'll also show you how you can provide different global permissions so that different user can access this tool with limited features. So before starting this video, let me tell you that I already have a few videos on SonarQube already present in the SonarQube playlist. If you haven't checked them yet, I would recommend you to check it out as you may find it helpful. So without any further ado, let's start with this video. So here, as you can see, I am currently on the SonarQube dashboard, and from here, if you go to administration option, you will see an option called security, under which you have options like users, groups, global permissions, permission template. So let's start with users. Under user, you get an option called create user. Here you can simply give them some username. So let's say I call user 3. Then you may give a different name. I'll give the name as user3 only. I'll give a email ID for this user, so it could be anything in your case, and similarly I'll give a password so that they can log into SonarQube portal. So here you get one more option, SCM. This is basically source control management. Here you can provide the IDs if it is different from this Gmail ID. So just assume that you are having a organization GitHub where the IDs are different. You can add those IDs over here so that users can use those IDs, basically the GitHub email ID, to log in. So for now I can just discard this and I'll create this user. So once you create the user, you will see the user appearing over here, and if you click on this, you should be able to see where these users are added. So as you can see, under all, I already have a group created, I have Sonar administrators, I have a team created. So let me first show you how you can create groups as well. So let's say if I want to create a group, so I can simply use this option, create group. I can say let's say some team tech. Okay, and this is a tech team for bank. Okay, and once you create this group, what you can do is you can use this group to add users to it. So let's say under this particular group, I want to add all these 3 users, right? And what is the advantage of having a group is you can simply provide them permissions on a group basis. So let's say for this team which you have created, you want to give them permissions of creating the project or executing the analysis. So here at the top, if you see, there is an option called execute analysis, create project. You can make them system administrator, or you can allow them to create quality gates and profiles. So in this way, you basically provide permission to the limited features. So what is the advantage of group here? You can provide permissions in bulk. You don't have to provide permissions for each user. Rather, you can provide permissions in bulk. So that is how this group can be utilized. And also, if you see, there is a thing called global permissions. So once you go under global permissions, you can either view the users or groups or all, and based upon these permissions, you can checkbox the required permissions which you want to provide to this particular users or groups or teams. So that's all about managing users, how you can manage users, how you can manage permissions. You also have permission template. So once you create permission template, I already have a few template created. So here you get an option called create, using which you can create a permission template by providing a name and some description, and you can also provide a project key pattern so that it can get applied to all the projects whose name is matching to this key. So for now, I'll just cancel this as I already have few permissions already created. So if you click on this permission template, under permission template, you can again provide similar kind of permission. So I hope that is clear. That is all about how you can manage users, create groups, and provide permissions. Apart from that, if you go here, so whenever you create any user, they should be able to log in and they should be able to view this option called my account, and within my account they can have access to basically manage the project. Let's say they have created some token, they should be able to view it here, and they should also be able to revoke the tokens, right? And also they should be able to update their password, and also they should be able to enable notification based upon their requirement. Okay, and they should also be able to set up notifications for project, right? So these are very straightforward. You can explore and understand very easily, so I'm not going into detail. So the last option here is the project, where you get a single view of all the projects and their statuses. So that is pretty much about some of the few advanced configurations of SonarQube. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something about some advanced configuration. At the end, I would just request you to like this video so that this video can reach out to more people. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel so that you never miss any valuable videos from my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.